guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another tutorial for you guys. I'm really trying to keep these coming. So this week I am doing my first try at a 3-strand twist out, and I'm working on clean hair. I'm going to use water to detangle and moisturize, taking a mid-sized section and just using water to spray the ends. It's a bit dry, so I'm, kind of re-moisturizing the hair. Cream, I'm using As I Am double buttercream for my styler. Using my wide tooth comb to detangle once again, and finally applying coconut oil to seal in all that moisture. So I'm using the LCO method because I found that I get the best twist outs and just the best moisture retention in general when I use the LCO method as opposed to the lock method. So I love coconut oil as a sealant, and I use it in my hair all the time. So as I said, I take a medium-sized section of hair. I do a normal 2-strand twist at the roots, and then I split the hair evenly into 3, kind of borrowing hair from the different from the 2 strands and make 3 strands. And then I'm just gonna explain how I do it. I hope this makes sense, but taking the piece of hair at the far side, I wrap it around the other 2 pieces of hair, and then I just do that continuously until I get to the ends of the hair, and then finally I finish off the ends of the hair with a 2-strand twist once again. So I'll let you see what I'm doing here. As you can see, I'm taking the hair that's at the far side, holding the other 2 pieces of hair separately, and then using that piece of hair at the far side, wrapping it around the other 2 pieces of hair. And then I just repeat that process up until I get to the end of the hair strands. Okay, so once again, kind of slow down and with the footage a little bit closer to you. As I said, I take 3 strands of hair, and then I take the hair that's at the far side and I wrap that hair around the other 2 strands of hair. And I just make sure to hold the 2 strands separately as I twist the 3rd strand of hair around those 2 strands. And it does require a bit of practice, so as you're doing this, don't be afraid to take your time to do it again, but once you get the hang of it, your hands just kind of remember what to do, and there's a bit of muscle memory, so just continue to do that up until you get to the ends. When I get to the ends, I join the hair back into 2 strands and then just finish off the hair with a 2-strand twist out as usual. Okay, so I actually kept in these twists for about a week, and what I did find was that because my hair was quite damp when I did the twists, so they shrunk up quite a bit throughout the week, but I just tied them. I had them tied back throughout the week, so they did kind of stretch out a little bit, but they are quite shrunken still. And I use my olive miracle oil to just moisturize my hands so that I can reduce frizz when I do my takedown. So how I do my takedown is I just work through the hair slowly. It was a little bit difficult to do the takedown initially because the hair would get a little bit tangled. However, after a while I kind of got the hang of it. So I just slowly worked my hair, untangling first the 2-strand twists at the end, and then the three-strand twists in the middle, and then the final 2-strand twists at the root. So as you can see, there is so much definition, and I did separate, but I didn't have too much separating to do because the hair is already separated in the 3-strand twists. So this is a great style if you don't like the hassle of having to separate your hair, and what you can do is leave it as is and then watch it get bigger and separated throughout the week. As you can see, like usually I separate the hair quite a lot, but because the 3-strand twists have already separated the hair, I have much less work to do in terms of like making it look fuller. So I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. I'm really happy with the result. This is probably one of my best twist outs ever, and I will definitely be doing 3-strand twists from now on. Just like, I love the definition, I love the bounce, the movement of the hair. I noticed that my hair is a lot shorter, and that's because I've been trimming my hair quite often, and I didn't realize how much I've been taking off over time. I also did a recently trimmed my hair video, so you can check that out. But as you can see, my color is almost completely gone, that I got about a year ago, and I just have a few highlights right at the end, but I'm still really loving the color and the highlights at the end. And I'm not mad at the length either. I think it's cool. I'd rather have healthy hair than long hair. So yeah, I just love it. I'm so excited about like how it came out. It looks great. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe if you liked the video, and if you liked the way my hair came out. And come back for the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.